So, hello people, how you going? My name is Glenn. Today, well, have you ever heard someone say, what? Junk food. Junk food. What is junk food? Well, you understand, we shouldn't understand what junk is. Junk is actually rubbish, no good. It's beyond use, you cannot actually use it. But there is a phrase, one person's junk is another person's treasure. So sometimes someone might be able to take some junk and use it. And food, food. We need to eat food. Mum, sik van in Cantonese. Don't know what it is in any other language. But food, you need to have food to survive because our cells in our bodies, they need to be supplied food. And junk food is stuff like this. So these are M&Ms, crunchy. There's like a what is it? There's chocolate on the outside, something like some sugary stuff in the middle. And these actually don't really provide much nutrients, much benefit to your body. They do provide energy in the form of sugar, but another one, Maltesers, same thing, chocolate. They provide a lot of sugar. They're actually not really good for you. They provide too much sugar, and so your body can't use it, and so it either converts it to fat, or converts it to fat. Me, I'm pretty thin. I'm not really fat. Don't put on much fat. But this stuff is called junk food. You also have other types of junk food like McDonald's. Fast food's pretty much a junk food because nutritionally they're not very good for you. They're not like a salad or an apple or an orange. They actually are not very healthy. They don't have the necessary vitamins like vitamin C, A, B, C, D, or minerals, micro minerals like potassium, sodium, other types of minerals that your body needs, zinc, molybdenum. So, train in the background, very loud, wakes me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So those are junk food. So how would you use it in a sentence? So you could say, well, I don't like this junk food because it is no good for you. And you can just replace it when you, like, if you can say, I don't want to eat Maltesers because they're not good for you. Just say, I don't want to eat junk food because it is not good for you. And crunchy, you can use the same. I do not like to eat crunchy. I do not like to eat junk food. So you can just use it in a reference to any food that is actually not very healthy. So I hope you learned something today. So if you hear the word junk food, it just means processed food that is actually not very healthy for you. And just keep learning because the learning is awesome. Please like if you learned something new, and subscribe if you haven't actually been here before. So I'd like to say thank you very much. Have an awesome day. Don't eat too much junk food, okay? It's not good for you.